Hey class, now I'm going to cover all of the stuff that you need to do in order to essentially get full credit on the lab. So really what I want you to do is open up Excel. You can download Excel from the university. If you don't know how, I can show you that. Um, oh man, you know what? Delete. Sure. There we go. Okay, so here's how you set up the Excel file. So what you're going to be doing, time, you're going to take heart rate at rest, 3 minutes into exercise, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 3 minutes into recovery, and 6 minutes after recovery. So ultimately, the 3 people in your group are only going to be exercising for a grand total of 9 minutes, which is pretty awesome. So the reason we do this at 3-minute intervals is it normally takes approximately 3 minutes in order for the aerobic system to take over most, if not all, of the work. Otherwise, we're using some anaerobic systems like glycolysis or creatine phosphate, if you've ever heard of that. If you haven't taken me an ex-phys yet, I will explain these things a little bit in this class as we go on. But this is ultimately how I want you to set this up. So time, work rate, heart rate 1, heart rate 2, heart rate 3. So those are just people. Now, here, I just put in arbitrary work rates. So this is in kilogram meters per minute. So say at rest, it's 0, obviously, because you're not moving. 300, that would just be the open tray. 450, that would be a half kilogram added to the tray. And 600, which is a full kilogram added to the tray, so 2 kilograms in all. And then 0, 0. So those are all the heart rates we're taking. It's going to be on 3 different people. Let's just make up some numbers really quick. Let's say someone's relatively healthy, or everyone's relatively healthy, 60, 65, 70. And that's heart rate in beats per minute. Let's say it goes up to 100, 105, 110. Hopefully you can see a bit of a pattern here. Here, 110, 115, 120. And these are numbers I'm just making up. You're actually going to collect all of these numbers just to be very clear on that. 120, 125, 130, and then over here, let's say they're at, I don't know, really just thinking about nothing, basically. That didn't make any sense. Okay, so there, I'm gonna just hold for a second, pause the video if you need to catch up on this. And granted, since this is on YouTube, make sure that you increase the quality, like I think it's 720p will be like the highest quality you'll be able to measure stuff in. Okay, so I'm gonna want you to do a scatter plot or a line graph. So highlight that stuff. Here, I'm gonna make that go away. Nope, nope, nope. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Let's just make that just a touch bigger. Okay, so I highlighted all of those. Insert. I'm going to go to line graph right here. So it's under insert, insert line graph or area chart. Pick that. All right, there we go. Here, let's just go ahead and make the title Lab 1. Good stuff so far, relatively easy. Here, let's add some axis titles. So add chart element, axis title. We're going to do a primary horizontal and a primary vertical. So over here, just do HR, parentheses, BPM, and all that can be lowercase, the BPM can be. And here, stage, because there's stages of it, right? Okay. Now what I want you to do is select that. So highlight that so the 1, 2, 3, 4, all of this should be highlighted. And if you have issues with this, come see me in class. That's why I'm making these videos, so that you can talk to me or you can just look at this a million times. Okay, so over here, horizontal category, axis labels. So this is what I want you to do. Click on edit, and then rest, comma, space, 3M, comma, space, 6M, comma, space, 9M. Oop, moving that. sorry. Oh, yeah, yeah, comma, uh, 9M comma space. Okay, sorry. 3MR, 6MR. So what that is, rest, 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 3-minute recovery, 6-minute recovery. And then you hit OK. Man, check that out. Pretty neat, huh? Okay. Next thing I want you to do is click on that, select data, over here, edit, human 1. Human 1. Cool. Edit, human 2. If you put some funny names, I might give you extra credit on it. Human 3. Okay, there we go on that. Another point, I don't really like those, so just delete that off. And then check that out. We have 3 different individuals ready to go. And all you would do is copy this. Now, granted, if you have a Mac, you might need a little bit more help with it. You might need to paste an image, so like a special type of pasting. Where are we? Right here. So, nope, that's the syllabus. Provide a line graph or whatever. I think. There we go. Check that out. And also, of course, you'd fill all of that out. I've answered at least one of these questions in here. We'll talk about the rest in class. All right, see you then.